Hello and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng isang masarap na merienda. Ito ay ang corn dogs. And here are the following ingredients. First step, itong ating hotdog, hinati ko lang siya sa gitna. Depende sa size ng hotdog. Ipapat dry lang natin to using a paper towel. Importante itong gagawin natin to kasi para didikit yung ating butter. Continue lang natin ang process na ito hanggang matapos natin lahat. And then using a skewer or a stick, insert natin dito sa ating corn dogs. And we'll set this aside. So, tapusin lang natin lahat ng ating hot dogs. Dito naman sa ating bowl, i-add natin lahat ng ingredients. Yung 1 cup ng cornmeal, 1 cup ng all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons ng baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon ng salt, and pepper to taste. I-add na rin natin yung 1 large egg at 1 1/4 cup ng milk. Mix it well using a wire whisk hanggang maging smooth and lump-free yung ating butter. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating butter, masyado siyang thick. So, don't worry. Talagang ganyan yung consistency niya. This one is ready. I-transfer na natin yung butter dito sa isang small glass. Ang ating next step, mag-preheat tayo ng pan with oil for deep frying. Ayan, mainit na yung ating oil. Itong ating butter na nasa baso, ididip natin yung hotdog. Make sure na well-coated yung ating hotdog. At ipiprito na natin on a low heat. Piprito lang natin to hanggang maging golden brown. Pwede kayo maglagay ng 2 to 3 na hotdog, depende sa laki ng pan na paglulutuan nyo. And then, once in a while, ikot-ikutin nyo lang yung ating corn dog para pantay ang pagluluto. I-transfer natin yung nalutong corn dog dito sa isang plate lined with paper towel para lang ma-absorb yung excess oil. Ito na yung mga naprito nating corn dogs. And there you have it, our corn dogs best served with ketchup or mustard. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.